In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix your Epson L6570 nozzles if colors are not printing correctly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The Epson L6570 is a high-quality inkjet printer. It can print vibrant colors and sharp images. Sometimes, the nozzles get clogged and the colors do not print correctly. First, we will print a nozzle test to see how serious the problem is and which colors are affected. To print a nozzle test, go to your printer settings and open the maintenance menu. Then, click on Nozzle Test and run it to print the page. Now, as you can see, the nozzle test shows a serious problem. The colors are not printing correctly. On the printer screen, you will see two options. It says to tap the circle if the pattern printed completely, or tap the X if your nozzles have a problem. Now the printer will start the head cleaning process. On the screen, it shows that it will take 2 to 3 minutes. You need to wait and make sure the printer is not turned off during this time. Why head cleaning is important. Over time, ink can dry inside the nozzles or small debris can block them. This can cause missing colors or faded prints, making your documents and images look incomplete. Benefits of head cleaning. Running the head cleaning function restores proper ink flow, improves print quality, and helps your printer last longer. It ensures your colors are vibrant and prints are sharp. How often to perform head cleaning? Do not perform head cleaning every day. Only use it when you notice a clear drop in print quality. Excessive cleaning wastes ink and may wear out printer parts unnecessarily. Now, tap Yes and print a new nozzle test to see if the problem has been fixed. One head cleaning usually fixes the problem, and the rest may clear up with normal printing. If large areas still do not print, repeat head cleaning 2 or 3 times, waiting 10 to 20 minutes between each. If this does not help, perform a power cleaning once. Thank you for watching. For more tips and easy solutions for your devices, stay tuned with Device Doctor.